Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Teague with Fred Anderson Toyota. We're your ultimate source for Toyota how-to videos, how to service your vehicle, maintaining your vehicle, and also breaking news and product reviews. So please subscribe. I'm going to show you, I've got every trim level of the Toyota 4Runner 2020. We're going to see which one of these can operate Smart Key from the key or the Smart Key. This is the Limited. It's going to work. This is the SR5 in nautical blue. Let's try it. Lock, lock, hold down lock. Not gonna work. SR5 Premium. Lock, lock, hold down lock. It's got a Smart Key. Will it work? Wah, wah, wah. No on SR5 Premium. TRD OffRoad. Lock, lock, hold down lock. We know it works if it starts blinking. Woo, 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 woo. Here's the OffRoad Premium. This one's in Barcelona red. Let's try it. Smart Key. Will it work? Probably not. Nope, not on the OffRoad Premium either. Here's the Limited. Lock, lock. All right, it's blinking, so that means it's gonna work. Limited has JBL speakers. That means that it's gonna have remote start from the key. JBL speakers. The Limited Nightshade also has JBL speakers, so let's hit lock, lock, hold down lock. I see it flashing. This is the TRD Pro. It's in army green. It also comes in super white, magnetic gray, or midnight black metallic. 4 different choices. We're gonna hit lock, lock, and hold down lock. There we go. The TRD Pro also has JBL speakers. So if the sound system has JBL speakers, then it will have remote start from the key. Unlock. This is the Venture Edition. It's very unique, it's incredible, and it's also a great test subject because this does not have JBL speakers. The Venture does not from the factory, but at Fred Anderson Toyota, we can add remote engine start, even if it doesn't have it from the factory. Just have Fred Anderson Toyota add it, and here's how you do it. You just hit lock, 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 and then see? So all you have to do, come to Fred Anderson Toyota. We will add remote engine start. You can do it to other models too, like the RAV4. It's very cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this was helpful, click a like, and then also please hit subscribe to Fred Anderson Toyota YouTube. You're gonna follow along and get great how-to advice on all buttons and controls and dials. We're gonna be your ultimate resource for Toyotas. Thank you so much. Hit subscribe. See you next time.